Table salt, fruit, cheese, meat, seafood, rice, bottled water. Is this a shopping list, or are these supermarket food items where microplastics have been found? Well, today I'm going to find out for sure, so let's do it. Microplastics come in all shapes and sizes. I'm not too sure what I'm going to see in this food, but first up, let's start with the cheese. Very quickly, I found some microplastics on the cheese. It's those black strands that you can see there. Also, the definition of a microplastic is a piece of plastic that is 5 millimeters or less. And these strands here, they're definitely less than 5 millimeters. Anyway, let's move on to canned tuna. This stuff has been known to contain microplastics, as there is estimated to be 358 trillion plastic particles floating on the ocean surface, with even more under the ocean. So pretty much fish eat the plastic and then it becomes a part of them, and it ends up staying with the fish and getting into the can. So you can see here that there is so much plastic in this can. It's all those black particles that you can see on the edge of the tuna. It's unfortunate because I really enjoy eating canned tuna. Okay, next up we're looking at the apple. This is the skin of the apple, and it appeared to be pretty clear of microplastics, which is good. But then I looked at the flesh. I saw plastic everywhere. Microplastics can actually be absorbed into fruits and vegetables through their roots. If there's any microplastic in the soil, it comes in through the roots, which is kind of crazy to think about. So some of these plastic particles that we see here would probably be from that. The pork meat was mostly free from plastic, which is good, but I did find one very small black speck, which I'm assuming is microplastic. It's a bit hard to tell. And the rice was very similar to the pork. This was packaged microwave rice, that's why it appears to be wet. I did find a couple little specks. The sample size here was only a few grains of rice as well, so the fact that I found anything in a couple grains of rice probably means that there's actually a whole lot of microplastics in that one package of rice. So table salt has been reported to have microplastics in it, but in my case here, I didn't find anything. Again, it was a really small sample that I was looking at, but it was quite a relief. Nice for a change to not find any plastic, as so far I've found plastic in everything up until now. And now finally the water. I collected a drop of water from the bottom of the bottle because I was thinking if there were any microplastics in there, they would perhaps have sunk to the bottom. I didn't actually find any plastic, just saw a lot of dust mixed in with the water. I'm assuming it's from the environment I'm in, not from the water bottle itself. So it looks like everything except for the salt and maybe the water I found microplastics in. There was heaps in the tuna, heaps on the cheese, and then some in the apple. And just the fact that I went out to the shops today and I bought these things and I've taken a tiny sample from each of them and had a look and found microplastics in them, that means they are just everywhere, unbelievably everywhere. I feel kind of happy in a way because this video has been a success because I've actually found microplastics in the food that I bought, but then I should also feel kind of sad because there's so much microplastics everywhere. It's a bit inconclusive at the moment. There's been limited research on microplastics and the health effects that it has on humans, but there has been some research done on it, and hormones have been affected. Some diseases can occur through microplastics. The good news is the body can get rid of microplastics. It probably can't get rid of all of them, so it's not like they stay in your system forever. But the fact that it's in a lot of food that we're consuming, it means we're constantly replenishing and probably putting more in than we're taking out. So it could potentially be an issue further down the line as we get older and more microplastics enter our food and our water. But yeah, that's that. There are microplastics in our food It's real and they're everywhere. Well, if you did enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos like this.